Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how you can connect your Trust wallet in Pixel. So first you want to click on this button and then you're going to see your balance and you want to select on select wallet and then you want to click on connect new wallet and then you want to scroll down and find Trust wallet. Then yes, I have, and then we want to find our deposit address in Trust wallet, which is USDT on Ethereum network. So make sure to just go on to your Trust wallet and search on USDT, and then you want to click on the USDT Ethereum, the Ethereum base tethered USDT. You want to click on that, and then you want to click on receive, and then you're going to see this. Make sure you just copy this, and then after copying this you want to go back to your Pixel tab, and then we're going to paste the deposit address in here. Make sure to just, there we go, and then click on made it. Okay, let's just wait, and there we go, our new wallet is connected.